Welcome to our comparison video where we will take a closer look at two popular portable laundry solutions, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Clothes Dryer. We'll dive into their features, performance, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine boasts a significant capacity of 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for larger laundry loads. In contrast, the portable clothes dryer is designed for smaller items, which may limit its usability for larger garments. This difference in capacity is crucial for users with varying laundry needs. When it comes to portability, the portable clothes dryer is a clear winner, weighing only 2.6 pounds and easily fitting into small spaces. On the other hand, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine, while still compact, weighs 29 pounds, making it less convenient for travel or frequent relocation. In terms of features, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine offers manual operation with simple dial controls, making it user-friendly but lacking automation. Conversely, the portable clothes dryer comes with a remote control and multiple drying settings, providing added convenience and versatility for users. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Clothes Dryer have their unique advantages. The washing machine is perfect for larger loads, while the dryer offers convenience for smaller items. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.